At this time, I have a special video for you guys, and it's about my wish list of 2021. And for those who do not know me, my name is Sylvia and I do handbag reviews and a little bit of everything. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and look for me on Instagram as Bag Love and Style. Let's get started. Tell you what bag I'm currently rocking right now. I am rocking this beautiful Palm Springs Mini. So useful for me as a mom. Use my diaper backpack, and I use this as a crossbody. I like that it has a mix of sporty and elegant at the same time because of the canvas and the black leather, and I put just my essentials in here. I also wanted to invite you guys to visit my Poshmark account where I sell a lot of my handbags, and currently I have a Stella McCartney handbag and a Burberry for sale. The username is Haru Love. Bag that I have on my wish list, Lulu medium quilted leather. In gold hardware, off-white or white. It will be a good addition to my closet since I think this medium Lulu, it's more like an everyday bag. The size, I think it fits a lot. And I currently have the Sunset bag. I think the Sunset bag, it's very elegant to go out because it's a little bit more structured and more boxy. So I feel like the Lulu will be a good addition to my collection. The second bag that I have on my wish list, Cassandra YSL bag on a canvas. I saw it last year, and before buying the Sunset bag, I was thinking to get the Cassandra, but the associate in YSL, she was like, no, get the Sunset bag. It's, you know, you're gonna like it more. And I think at that time I have my a denim jacket, and I was like, oh my god, it looks so gorgeous. But you know, the Sunset, it's gorgeous, but it's for more like to. And the Cassandra bag, I'm thinking more for like summer and spring. But that combination of the canvas and the colors of the canvas, it looks really, really good. And I have a similar handbag from Tory Burch. If you guys would like to see the video, I have it listed on my channel. The third bag that's in my wish list for this 2021, it's a gorgeous red YSL shopping bag, I think it's called, and it has a gold hardware. Oh my god, it looks so nice. I found it in Farfetch because I went to the boutique in my area and she didn't have it, but it looks so nice. And I will insert pictures right now so you guys can see. This thing, oh my god, so good, right? I like the idea that it's a tote bag, but mini Montresor monogram from Fendi. I think it's really pretty. I don't know, it's just the logo of Fendi looks so nice, and when I went to Nordstrom and tried it on, it fit my phone, which I have the iPhone 11 Pro Max, which is the big one. So it definitely passed the test of the phone. It's so cute, it's so mini, it's even like maybe a half of my Palm Springs, but it fits the essentials, just like the phone, a 6-key ring holder. I tried the brown one, which was really elegant, but I am not sure if I wanted to show like a very big Fendi logo in it. So then I'm gonna go into Balenciaga City Mini in black and gold hardware, which is really cute. There is two kinds, one that had a match of the gold hardware and the other one that does. A lot of people said that Balenciaga is more like for the younger generations and stuff like that, but I don't know, I just feel like it's still classy. I know that Balenciaga brought, you know, new model now that kind of like sort of looks like the old one, but in a different shape. I don't know, I just feel like Balenciaga and Burberry has come up with something, you know, similar, but I don't like it. I kind of like this one. This Dior bag, it's the Bobbi on a cloud blue bag. Wanted to add a cloud blue in my collection for summer and spring, and it's very beautiful. I think that you know, I went to the boutique and I saw it. I compared it to the black one, which I kind of like need a black one more than a cloud blue, but the cloud blue, I don't know, it's just so beautiful. Debating between that one or Kyra bag from Tory Burch because of the resale value. It's either the Bobbi bag or the Lady Dior bag. Both of them, I just don't feel, you know, irritating its value. If I find a good deal, I might probably get it, but if I don't, it might have to wait. The Lady Dior, I am wishing for the red. Now, I don't know how I feel about the Chanel and the prices that's being like really increasing. as well as I just wait and get my dream bag from Hermes, but like in a lot of years. But if there is a bag on my wish list from Chanel, would be a Gabrielle, maybe on a black or a combination of black, white and tan, or maybe red. I don't know. Let's see. What do you guys think? Number 10 on the wish list is a Gucci Marmont in a brown leather, the one that's in the new collection. I like that bag. I just feel like it's classy. I feel that it screams that will stay, but at the same time, I have seen Marmonts in the suede, kind of similar to that, color. The resale value will not go up. I feel the same with YSL bags and Gucci. I just feel like, they're there and it's not gonna go away, but I don't know, by investing on a Gucci Marmont, really on that kind of Marmont. What do you guys think about the Gucci Marmont? I think it's a statement bag for sure because of the GG, but I am not sure it's worth it. What do you guys think about all these handbags? Let me know your comments down below, your opinions. All these on my wish list. Which one do you like the most? If you were me, what would you buy first? Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Give it a thumbs up, and thank you so much. See you later for more unboxings. Bye bye.